In this video, we will be multiplying polynomial. So, una siguro ninyong mapapansin, wala na tayong nakikita na kinasanayan nating multiplication symbol, yung X. No? Hindi na natin yung ginagamit sa algebra kasi gumagamit na tayo ng variables. So, baka malito tayo kung ano yung multiplication at ano yung variable X. Instead, sa algebra, ang gamit na natin ay itong parenthesis. O kaya naman, gumagamit tayo ng tuldok. No? Para i-denote yung multiplication. So, basically, sa number 1, given natin ay 4a squared multiplied dito sa nasa loob ng parenthesis, 3a plus 5. Ibig sabihin yan, si 4a squared dapat mong i-multiply hindi lang sa 3a, kundi pati sa positive 5, sa plus 5. No? Kaya nakagroup yan kasi magkasama yan na dapat mong i-multiply dito sa nasa labas ng parenthesis. This is actually a monomial. So, term polynomial multiplied by a binomial. Polynomial with terms naman. Again, to do that, by 4a, 3a, and 4a squared by positive 5. Go ahead and that. Simulan natin dito sa 4a squared and 3. Let's first deal with their numerical coefficients. No? Yun, yung 4 and multiply mo muna yan. 4 times 3, parehas naman positive, so positive 12 yun. Then you deal with the variables. Pansinin na ito ay a squared multiplied by a. Kapag parehas yung bases na minultiply natin, letter a yung base na. Parehas yan, all you need to do is to copy that. At yung components naman nila, i-add mo. That's how you multiply a squared by a. Copy a, then you add the exponents. 2 and exponent now. Plus 1 is means the product of 4a squared and 3a, 12a cubed. Right? Then, proceed to 4a squared multiplied by 5. Then, simulan mo muna sa numbers. 4 multiply mo dun sa 5. 4 times 5 is 20. Positive yung magiging sagot. So, plus sign. Then, you variables. Meron man, no? Kasi yung 5 natin, pansinin na wala. So, this is just a squared na kailangan mong i-gain. And, that's your final answer. Tingin pa tayo sa ibang examples. Example number 2, mas marami ng variables na involved, pero parehas lang yung monomial multiplied by a monomial. Negative c squared multiplied by c squared d raised to 4 minus 7c cubed d. Apply daw yung negative c squared dito sa 3 squared d 4 at multiply din siya dito sa negative 7c cubed d. Again, we can go ahead do it term by term. Isa lang para hindi tayo mahirapan. So this is negative cd squared multiplied by 3c squared d raised to 4. Nahin yung numerical coefficients. This is 3. Pero itong negative cd squared, meron lang 1 na numerical coefficient. Pero note the sign, it is negative. You know that if we multiply a negative number by a positive number, alam natin na negative product. So now we just multiply the number. 3 multiplied by 1 is negative 3 na yung coefficient. Then, doon na tayo sa variable. Si C ay dapat kong i-multiply doon din sa C. Dawa sila. Wala, idikit ko na lang siya sa D. Pero meron. So, kailangan ko yung i-multiply. Again, pag parehas ng variable, you just copy that same variable, that same base, and then you add the exponent. This is 1, then this is 2. Yung C natin magiging raised to 3. Sundan niya ng D. Parehas ulit D. So, copyain mo lang, and then you add the exponent. 2 plus 4 is... Now, let's proceed to negative cd squared multiplied by negative 7c. Again, dun muna sa coefficients. This negative number, negative 7, multiplied by another negative number. So, positive yung sagot natin. Lagyan mo na ng plus sign. Then, 7 times 1 is just 7. Alright? Negative 3, negative 7 times negative 1 is positive 7. Simulan na natin dun sa mga variables natin. C multiplied by C. C din yun. Kopyahin mo lang. Pero exponents dapat i-add. So, this is 1 plus 3. That's C raised to 4. And then, dun sa variable D naman, kopyahin ulit dahil pareha silang may D. Add lang yung exponents ulit. 2 plus D rito ay raised to 1. So, this is D cubed. So, now we have negative 3C cubed D raised to 6 plus 7C raised to 4D. Pwede ba nating i-combine? Hindi. Fortunately, kasi hindi sila like terms, no? So, ibig sabihin, ito na yung sagot. Although parehas may C tsaka D yan, hindi naman parehas na X. We learned in our last video na posible lang yung addition at subtraction ng polynomials kung parehas ng variables at parehas ng exponents na ginamit. Let's move on to our third and final example. Dito, dagdagan ko ng terms yung i-multiply natin. Kanina, parehas mo rin monomials to binomials yon. Single term multiplied by two terms. Hindi naman parehas binomial. Two terms parehas yan. Pero parehas na i-multiply. So, paano natin gagawin? Pansinin, doon sa mga nauna kong example, minultiply ko yung nasa labas ng parentheses doon sa lahat ng terms sa loob. Right? You can actually use the same idea here. Kaya lang, ang gagawin ko na siya para sa parehas na term. So, si 4x ay imumultiply ko kay 2x at kay 5. Ganun din yung gagawin ko kay negative 4. Second term niya. Multiply ko dun sa kabila, lahat ng terms na nasa kabilang parenthesis. Right? We actually call this, most textbooks, no, FOIL method. FOIL. Actually, first term, outer terms, and dun sa last term. Lagyan lang natin ng pangalan. Pero paano ginagamit yan? So, unahin natin itong 4x na dapat i-multiply dun sa 2x at 5. No? So, gagawin. 4x multiplied by 2x. So, unahin yung numerical coefficients. 4 times 2 is just 8. Then, you copy the same base. Pero dapat i-add yung exponent. 1 plus 1 is 2. X squared na ngayon yan. 8x squared. Parehas naman positive. So, plus din. Pero hindi mo na ilalagay kasi first term siya. Then, let's proceed to 4x multiplied by 5. Again, positive 4 times positive 5 is positive 20. So, lagyan mo na ng plus sign. 20. And then, yung x raised to 1, i-retain mo. Kasi wala namang x dito sa 5. So, walang i-add na exponent. Then, punta na tayo dito sa negative 4 times 2x. Negative 4 multiplied by 2 is negative 8. So, sulat ko minus 8. Then, kopyahin ko lang again yung variable na wala namang counterpart kabila. Tingin ko lang siya. Then, finally, we have negative 4 multiplied by positive 5, which is negative 20. Now, yung sagot natin ay magiging final answer lang kung nakasimplify na siya. Ibig sabihin, wala nang like terms na dapat i-combine. Ibig sabihin ng combine, i-add or subtract. Tignan nga natin. First term natin dito ay x raised to 2 or x squared. Meron pa bang ibang x squared term? Wala na. So, kasama na siya sa final answer. Pero pansinin yung pangalawang term natin. X raised to 1 yan. At yung sumunod sa kanya ay x raised to 1 din, which means we can combine these terms. Sa kaso na to, since subtraction yung nasa pagitan nila, ibig sabihin kailangan natin mag-subtract. No? This is positive 20 minus 8, which is positive 12. And then we copy that same variables. Hindi natin kailangan problemahin yung exponents kasi ginagawa lang natin yun pag nag-multiply. No? And sa susunod na video kapag nagdi-divide. Pero kapag nag-add or nagsusubtract lang, kinokopya lang natin yung variable na ginamit. Then, yung negative 20, wala namang ibang constant yan. So, set mo na. This is our final answer. Now, it's your turn. You do this, multiply lang yung polynomials given. Let me know in the comments kung ano mo common sagot o kung may bahagi ng video na to na hindi mo ganong naunawaan. Thank you so much for watching this video.